welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free dance updates from our channel. And also click the bell icon to receive more interesting videos from our channel, guys. Hello friends! Today's video is going to be about kurta and neck designs. So let's go into the video. When you wear a kurta neck design, you can go with a boat neck or a collar neck. People are full neck or collar neck. People who like these can use these, and people who like both designs can use them. And you can have a lot of workings like fur workings, mirror workings, or you can have decorative buttons. And some people go that are patterns worked in different colors, which also looks really unique. And some people go with like colored pearls, like not only white, they go with a baby pink, red, blue. According to your kurta, you can go with whatever pearl color or whatever decorative item you can. And if you wear these, you can go with your suitable simple jewelry, which is really awesome, guys. And you can also go on with a lot of different type of designs, like some of the pearls I told you, or different type of stitchings, and white stitching or colorful flower pattern, which is also really amazing, guys. And you can go with a lot of boat neck. If you come with a boat neck, you can or a collar neck, you can go with a collar neck for your parties, because you look really classical, guys, and you also look really beautiful in this. And you can go on with like different type of colored stitchings or colored patterns, like floral patterns like rose and petals, with different type of some people go with a transparent one with workings, which is also really a great idea or a wonderful idea. And sometimes people have small designs or little designs, and then another ones they have heavy designs. Heavy designs means you can wear them to heavy parties. If you go to an elegant and royal party, you can put light ones or even heavy ones, because they look really good and they look creative. They look really unique, wonderful, and outstanding, guys. And whenever you go down, as I told you, you can wear a fabric bangle which suits you, your hand, because you can be followed by a different material with a lot of colors. Really a great idea. And you can also go on with like a lot of different types of transparent designs. Also looks really awesome. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching this video, guys.